Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are good and doing well at home. So children, as you all know that today this is our online EVS class and we are going to do today something new in your books. So first of all children, I would like to ask you all that yesterday I gave you activity 1 of chapter number 16, which was of seasons. Okay, and in that activity we have completed some questions which were given in our book of activity zone. Okay, now I hope you all have completed that work in your that activity work in your books, and those who have not completed children, please try to complete it as soon as possible. Okay, and today, as you all know, that we are going to start with a very short introduction of all the chapters as it is given in your book. Okay, it is given in your book as test paper 1 and test paper 2. So today we are going to do those test papers. Okay, so today we are going to start with test paper 1, and it is including all the chapters till now which you all have read. Okay, so for that children, please take out your Nature Learner EVS book and turn to page number 108. Is that clear? Can you see page number? It is written here 108 and test paper 1. Okay, now this test paper 1 is based on lesson 1 to 8. Now in as you all know that from lesson 1 to 8, all the lessons which are included in this test paper. Okay, so you have to you have to complete this test paper. Okay, so for that, first of all I will explain you all the questions first. Okay, so today we will do some exercises and tomorrow we will complete other exercises of this test paper 1. Then then day after tomorrow we will start with test paper 2. Okay, so for both the test papers we will give complete 4 days. Okay, 2 days for one test paper and 2 days for second test paper. Okay, so it will be very easy for you all to complete and I will not make you to do a lot of work. Okay, so as per your convenience, I know you all have to do other work also. You have to write all other subjects also. So for because of that I will give you lesser work. Okay, so children, please make sure that you are doing the work according to me. Okay, now children, for starting with test paper 1 which is given in our books, you have to listen to this video very carefully so that you will be able to give the answers. Okay, with this video I will be giving you an assignment, and in that assignment I will attach the picture of the pages. Okay, so you can complete it from that, but before that you have to watch the videos very carefully. And nowadays I am looking that very few of you are watching the videos, which is a very bad thing. Children, please make sure that videos, you should watch all the videos to understand first. Okay, it is not like that you are getting your assignment so you are just copying those assignments without understanding. When teachers are taking such a lot of pain to explain you through videos, so it is your duty to see the videos very carefully and understand the topics very carefully, and then you can complete your assignment work. Is that clear? Now starting with our test paper 1 children, coming to question number 1. So the first part says that tick the correct answers. Okay, so in this there are few questions. There are 5 questions, and as you all know that first question is written, then you have given with 3 options and you have to tick the correct option. Whichever the answer is correct, you have to tick in front of that word. Okay, you have to put a tick in front of that word. So make sure that you listen to this video children very carefully. Now the first question, starting with the first question, it says which one is an internal organ? Internal organ, what is an internal organ children? I hope you all remember there are two kinds of organs, okay, internal and external. Internal organs are those organs which are inside our body, and external organs are those organs which are outside our body, which organs we can see, okay, like hands, eyes, nose, okay, lips. These all organs we can see, so they are external organs. But internal organs are like heart, brain, stomach, okay, lungs. These all are internal organs. So here the three options are given: hand, head and brain. So here we have to take the answer for internal organ, जो हमारे अंदर है बॉडी के. So हमारे अंदर क्या है? हैंड तो बाहर दिखते हैं, हेड भी बाहर दिखता है, ब्रेन इज इनसाइड आवर head, okay, brain is inside our body. So we will put a tick in front of the word brain. Clear? Now coming to the second question, which place has many shops? कौन सी जगह पर बहुत सारे shops होते हैं? Is it a market? Is it a bank? Or is it a school? So the correct answer is it is a market. So we will put a tick in front of market. Now coming to the third question, which is the main festival of Tamil Nadu? Now you all remember, children, तमिल नाडु का मोस्ट फेमस और मेन फेस्टिवल कौन सा है? इज इट ओनम, पोंगल और बैसाखी? सो इट इज पोंगल. एंड डू यू ऑल रिमेंबर ओनम कहाँ का मेन फेस्टिवल है? इट इज द मेन फेस्टिवल ऑफ केरला, ओके, एंड बैसाखी इज द मेन फेस्टिवल ऑफ पंजाब. क्लियर? नाउ coming to the fourth question, which one is a fast food? Fast food कौन सा है? Pizza, rice or bread? So the fast food is pizza. So we will put a tick in front of pizza. Is that clear? Now the last question of this topic of this part is, which water body has salty water? कौन सी water body का water salty होता है, नमक वाला? So is it river, sea or lake? So the correct answer is sea. So we will put a tick in front of the word sea. Is that clear? So children, I hope you all have understood this first part of test paper 1. So it is very easy. You can do it on your own also. But the main thing is that you should remember all the chapters. Okay? You should know the concept of all the chapters. Now coming to the second part, that is the B part. Write the names of the person who, नंबर 1, हमें यहाँ पे पर्सन्स के नेम बताने हैं जो मेक्स द डिज़ाइन ऑफ द हाउस, जो हमारे घर का डिज़ाइन तैयार करते हैं. दोज पर्सन आर नोन एज आर्किटेक्ट. ओके, सो वी विल राइट ARCHITECT, architect. Is that clear? Now the second is makes the walls of a house. हमारे घर के walls कौन बनाता है? So that person is known as a mason. MASON, mason. Number 3, does the woodwork of a house, हमारे घर का जो भी फर्नीचर का वुड का काम होता है वो कौन करता है? That person is known as a carpenter. So we will write CARPENTER, carpenter. Is that clear? Now the fourth sentence, फिट्स पाइप्स एंड बेसिन्स इन अ हाउस. हमारे घर में जो पाइप्स की फिटिंग और बेसिन्स, वॉश बेसिन्स की फिटिंग करते हैं, व्हाट आर दोज पीपल कॉल्ड? दे आर प्लम्बर्स. सो वी विल राइट PLUMBER, plumber. Clear? Now coming to the last fifth sentence, lays wires and fits switches. वो कौन से लोग होते हैं जो हमारे घर में वायर्स और स्विचेस की फिटिंग्स करते हैं? सो दे आर नोन एज इलेक्ट्रीशियंस. सो वी विल राइट ELECTRICIANS, electricians. Is that clear? So I hope this part is very clear to you all, children. Once again I am repeating, makes the design of a house is known as architect. Makes the walls of a house is known as a mason. Does the woodwork of a house is known as the carpenter. Fits the pipes and basins in a house is known as a plumber. And the last, lays wires and fits switches, that person is known as electrician. Okay, so these are the names of the person who are involved in preparing or involved in making our house. Is that clear? Now coming to the third part, that is the C part. Today we are going to do only A, B and C part, and tomorrow we will complete D, E and F part of test paper 1. Is that clear? So coming to the C part, identify these helpers. Now as you can see here, the pictures of some people are given and they are in the uniforms. So from the uniforms we can make out that how they help us, okay, and how, who are they, okay, who are these people and how can they help us, we can write here, okay. So the first one, as you can see, the first this is a girl who is wearing a white coat and who is having a stethoscope around her neck, and she is also having one file. So the person who is having a stethoscope and wearing a white coat is known as a doctor. So we will write D O C T O R, doctor. Is that clear? Now coming to the second picture. Second picture, again this girl is wearing a white dress. She is having a tray in her hand with some medicines and some first aid things, okay, and she is having a cap on her head, and which is showing us the sign of a plus. Okay, so this plus sign shows that she is working in a hospital, and the dress she is wearing, this whole dress is of a nurse. So this picture is of a nurse, okay. And the work, what does a nurse do? The nurse looks after the patients. So you will write here N-U-R-S-E, nurse. Is that clear? I hope you all are getting my point. Now coming to the third picture. This is a person who is wearing a dress, khaki dress, but he is having he is having some envelopes in his hand, and he's carrying a bag full of envelopes. So that means this person is a postman who brings letters to our homes. Okay, so we will write P-O-S-T, post, M-A-N, man, postman. Clear? Now coming to the last fourth picture. This is a person who is who is wearing a uniform in khaki dress, and he is having a pistol here, and he is having a cap also, a duty cap also. So this is a policeman. Okay, so we will write P-O-L-I-C-E, police, M-A-N, man, policeman. So as you all know, the first picture is of doctor, second picture is of nurse, third picture is of postman, and the last fourth picture is of policeman. Is that clear? So I hope children, these three exercises of test paper 1 are very clear to you all. They are very easy, and you just have to remember the previous chapters also for completing this exercise, for completing these two test papers. So today we are going to do only 3 questions, okay. Then tomorrow we are going to take other 3 questions, and like that we will complete our test paper 1 by tomorrow. So children, make sure that you complete today's work in your textbook today only. You don't have to do this work in your notebook. आपको अपनी कॉपी में ये काम नहीं करना है, अपने बुक में ही करना है. Is that clear? So make sure that you complete this work in your books only. So till my next video children, I hope you will all complete this work, and then we will start with our new questions tomorrow of test paper 1. So till my next video children, bye bye, take care, stay at home and stay safe.